noticed it when I wanted to light a fire for my dinner, that the water was squirting out on the cover plate of the keel box, which has water inside it because the top of the keel comes through the hole.
There was a massive plastic around the top, and it came off. I saw it in the endoscope, and it came off, but it something must have jammed up in the green.
But let's do a back down first, huh? And then you can always jump in.
I'm gonna get myself ready.
Yeah. Right.
This is the swimmer of the watch bag. It's got manual life jackets and flippers, snorkel mask, a rope, everything you'd need to go for a little swim. Hopefully clear the keel. Looks like we've got a bit of an issue with it in the wet box. Meaning water's coming on board. So yeah, I'll just jump in for a quick swim and see what we can find.
What gear you got? So you need dry suit, flippers.
It's got AIS in it. Manual life jacket, obviously.
Yeah. And we can't actually keep sailing with it because it's not taking the water out. Otherwise we'd end up with a lot of water in the hull. We're just going to tilt the boat fully on its side now. And just lower him over the side so he's attached to the boat at all times.
Alright, so I'm going to go down here, pull myself down to the keel, and then
How much underwater is it?
not far, it's only less than a metre.
Okay.
Alrighty, lower me down.
Few problems to swim in, alright? Yep, give him slack. Give him slack.
Alright, I'm good to come up.
Clear?
Nothing there, we've broken the plate.
Broken the plate?
Yeah.
Thought that might be it. Okay, clear your arm. Okay, go up on halyard.
Broken the plate.
What happens? Plate break. So we're going to have to just sail back fucking 10 knots basically. Well, let's think of something. We've been sailing with this for a while now, full speed, so.
So just went down, checked the keel. There's two cover plates for the keel box, the wet box. The front half of our port one's just snapped off completely. So there's a gaping hole about that big in the bottom of our boat. It should be all sealed here, but yeah, our seals are broken on the internal hatch that holds that water out. So we're going to have to come up with a way to sail the boat that's not going to push water inside the boat, because that'll be a bit of a major.
Today we sanded the boat pretty hard with J0. Had some bit of slamming, and probably because of the big speeds and some of the slamming, we broke part of the cover plate of the keel.
And that's probably blown the seal out a bit more, which has created a leak.
Exactly.
And the seal probably was working okay and moving.
Probably the thing that you felt was the plate breaking off.
No, that was plastic hanging like that.
Yes, that's why I was checking in with you. What do you reckon that if we just strengthen that plate, you know, with some battens and maybe even 5200 the plate down, would that be a smart move, or would that just create another problem? Yeah, we broke in half of one of the side plates, so now we just need to strengthen, I guess, the top plate on top of the keel, so the water is not going to come into the boat. No, we don't know. Just suddenly water was filling in at a massive pace and blew out the seal around the wet box lid. And then we went down in the halyard to have a look, and then we could see it was missing half the plate.
Now we need to keep an eye on it and basically make maybe some reinforcements to just to be safe enough to arrive in ETG and keep the boat sailing on 100%. Very exciting moment here.
replace that.
This is
We could just cut it there and do it, eh?
Yeah.
I mean, you're going to have to put a short bit on because they've done it before.
actually the level is a lot lower with the lid off.
Get this bastard.
Okay, there we go. Let's get her straight. Not so much of a repair, but more of a reinforcement. We had the lid off here last night. Resealed it because of the pressure inside. The seal was blown out in between the bolts, and so resealed it. So it's all going breathing through the ventilation pipe again, and we reinforced just in case the whole cover plate. I think we're going to do today 22, 25 knots of boat speed again. The lid hopefully doesn't have too much bend or flex in it. So I think this will brings us to ETJ safely, and otherwise I'll have to sit on top of it.